Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about Hamiltonian paths and the cycles. Let's firstly recap paths and the cycles. A path, it is an open walk that we cannot repeat edges or vertices. Cycles, it is a very similar concept to paths. It is basically a closed paths. In the previous video, we learned Eulerian trails and the circuits. To find an Eulerian trail or an Eulerian circuit, we have to include all the edges in a connected graph. But for Hamiltonian paths and cycles, they focus on vertices, which means we have to include all vertices in a Hamiltonian path or a Hamiltonian cycle. So for Hamiltonian path, it is a path passed through all vertices in a connected graph. Make sure the graph must be connected. It may or may not involve all the edges in a graph. Let's have a look at this example here. In this connected graph ABCD, one possible Hamiltonian path is A to B, D, then to C. So we finish at different vertex. A Hamiltonian cycle, it is basically a Hamiltonian path, but we need to start and finish at the same vertex. Okay, in this connected graph ABCDEF, a Hamiltonian cycle could be A to C to D to F to E to D to B, then we finish at the same vertex I. So that is what I would like to cover for today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I will see you next lesson.